Hello and welcome. I'm Justin from Cognito Motorsports. I'm going to show you today our cargo storage solution for the Can-Am X3, 2-seat or 4-seat. We all know how difficult it is to store things in the Can-Am X3. I'm going to show you the details of our solution. So this is our storage solution here. It comes with a basket plus a couple of side storage wings here. So what we have is a storage bag in the middle where you can put, some clothes or some goods or some lunch or whatnot. Use this as a cooler. This one here actually is a cooler. We also have a storage bag available that is not an insulated cooler. This particular one is an insulated cooler. This bolts in easy. There's no drilling, no cutting, nothing. It's all just turning wrenches to bolt this system in. Bolts right to the floor of the bed here on the X3. I'm showing it here with optional accessories. Like here's a Boxo tool roll-up that we sell. It bungees in right here. That way you're not taking up storage space inside your bag here. You can put your foods or snacks or clothes or jackets or whatever in there. I'm also showing you here our scissor jack, and it mounts right to the wing of this cargo carrier as well. So that stuff's available, purchased separately. The cargo storage kit will come with this basket, all of its mounting hardware, the side wing, so you can strap down whatever you want to strap down, whether it be a tool roll-up or whether it be a jack like this one here. All this stuff is also available at cognitomotorsports.com. Free shipping in the lower 48. We appreciate your loyal business.